All right, guys, I teased you a little bit earlier on, but I am going to show you exactly what we got in the houseplants this morning. I'm super excited about some of them. Some may be common to you, but I still love to highlight them because they're just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to dive in and show you a few of the houseplants that we got. All right, guys, so this is the box I really want to show you. This is the one that excites me. So we've got the lemon prayer plant, something we've never generally had here either, but the yellow in these leaves is so electric. It's absolutely gorgeous. We've got staghorn fern, something I haven't had since last summer. Love the humidity. If you've seen them online, you can attach them to wooden panels and have them hanging up on the sides of your house. We've got this silver lady fern. I absolutely love the look of this one. It's just so strong, so thick. This really looks indestructible. So we have the silver lady fern. We have two different types of pothos. I have a silver satin and I have one that's called pearls. This is the silver satin with the different variation on that one. It's absolutely beautiful. And then this is pearls. Lots of whites, greens, some yellows going on. Again, these are all in 4 or 6 inch pots, so we can keep the price down for you guys. Absolutely love this one. I've got a philodendron that's called Maloney Gold. This I only got 2 of. Look at the coloring on this one. Long elongated, that's the same word. Elongated leaves, a lot of yellowing going on as the leaves mature. I only got 2 of these because I wanted to see how they perform and what they look like. So if you want one, come down and get one soon because I don't think these will last very long. Now, the other plant that I got that I'm super excited about is this baby sitting out back here. It is called Rhaphidophora decursiva. Now, this is neither a monstera or in the philodendron family, but the leaves are shiny and elongated like that, and it is a climber. This one is super, super gorgeous, and as it ages, it's supposed to get lobed leaves and continue to climb. So you will need a trellis or a moss pole with this one, but I got these in 4 inch and 6 inch pots to try. If you're looking for something new, Google this one, look it up. Again, Rhaphidophora decursiva, and I am going to list that down below for you guys so you can see. We've got pitcher plants in again. This guy is a carnivorous plant, so we have those in hanging baskets. And then we've got 2 things I want to show you that we got last week. Georginanthus. This guy is like an African violet, loves peaty, moist soil. It's only going to get 6 to 8 inches tall, about 6 to 8 inches on the leaves also, but look at that dark, dark leaf. Which brings me to the other one we got right here is the Raven Z plant. Again, another black leaf plant. Absolutely love this one. I only got 2 of those in to try to see how they would do. And in the other box, we just got some basic stuff. I mean, we got rubber plants, we got snake plants. I've got an elkhorn fern, and here's another blue fern. We've got ponytail plants in a 4 inch pot. I've got assorted ferns and a white butterfly. And then the other one I got, which I absolutely love, you guys know me, I love different colored leaves. I don't care for flowers in houseplants, but I love the different textures and the variation of the leaves. And this one is called Macaulay's Finale, another longleaf rhododendron, but look at those colors, the oranges and the rusts that come through. So come on down while I unpack, see what I've got, take a couple babies home.